I'm Dr. Michael Wittenberger. I'm a board-certified reproductive endocrinologist and infertility specialist. I am working out of HRC Fertility in San Diego and Carlsbad. I attended medical school at the University of Colorado in Denver. I did my OBGYN residency at the Naval Medical Center in San Diego. And I did my fellowship training at the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, Maryland. I think people get to different spots in their life based on circumstances and interests. So for me, I was always interested in medicine. I thought maybe I would be a veterinarian when I was a child. However, circumstances in my life, namely my mother's death from ovarian cancer, really honed me in on the field of OBGYN. I really wanted to make sure that everybody was well cared for, that women were cared for and received good medical care. And so I think with this, my interests also were in endocrinology in college. So I was really fascinated how one molecule, one little chemical could affect reproduction, could affect metabolism, could affect energy storage. All of these are just part of the endocrine system. So for me, a perfect marriage of all my interests. And what I love doing right now is reproductive medicine, reproductive endocrinology, and infertility. You know, when you try to sum up a career and find the most memorable moment in it, I can look back at my Navy experience. I spent 27 years as an active duty physician in the Naval Medical Forces. I practiced overseas, in the U.S., on ships, and those all had great experiences. They exposed me to cultures and peoples that I would normally not have worked with or alongside of. And that really gave me an appreciation for people. But the truth is, the most memorable and meaningful thing is when I actually get to sit with the patient and get to know them, their story, kind of walk alongside them, see the joys that they can experience as they develop their family. That's really what has been a memorable and meaningful thing in my practice. What would I tell people when they're starting this fertility journey? Well, I would say be hopeful. There are so many new developments in this field that apply directly to you and to your future family. So surround yourself by a good team, by people that care about you, that are positive, that really have your best at heart. And I think this is one of the differences and one of the standouts of HRC Fertility. You are not going to come in here to a cattle call. This is going to be very personalized. We care about you. I definitely want to know your story. I want to know what I can do to help you succeed in your endeavors, and particularly in your endeavor of trying to build your family. So this is what I think really separates the HRC experience from potentially other experiences that you'll have.